Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evany, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Miche Beauty Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner, and oh my god, you guys, this is even better than the other deep conditioner. That's how I feel. This one I think is just better catered for my hair because glycerin is lower down on the ingredients list, but also this has Baobab in it, and y'all, this I can just add to the collection. I already have the Miche Beauty collection sitting up here, okay, so I can just add this. Before I had their moisturizing deep conditioner, and this is their protein deep conditioner, and yeah, this part I really like it, in case you can't tell. But before I jump into the demo portion, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the Miche Beauty Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner, and y'all, it is so worth the hype. I fell into the hype and I got it, and it is so worth it. This is a 12-ounce jar. It retails for $17.99. I think it's on sale right now though, and the first 5 ingredients are on the screen, but all ingredients will be down below in the description box like always. It smells like the rest of the line, which is really good, and I don't know, it's like a sweet, slightly fruity, perfumey. It smells good to me. And you see the thickness here. I can turn it upside down and it won't come out, so this product is pretty thick. And the protein in here is hydrolyzed Baobab protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and hydrolyzed silk protein. There are no silicones, no drying alcohols, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic or artificial colors, no phthalates, or animal testing in this product. And the directions state that after shampooing your hair, you're supposed to apply a generous amount of the conditioner to clean damp hair, leave it on your hair for 30 minutes, and then rinse out. It may be used weekly and rotated between the Indulge moisturizing deep conditioner in your hair regimen. I, like always, slept with this deep conditioner in my hair overnight, and y'all, I mean, it's not just hype, okay? This product really is awesome. I've seen several of my favorite vloggers review this product, and it's so good. I like this one actually better than the moisturizing deep conditioner. She says in the directions you can rotate between the two, but I would probably use this one on a more regular basis. And the proteins that she included in this deep conditioner, I feel like my hair responds to really well. I have been heat styling more lately because I'm using my Revere, and it is on low heat, but it is more heat manipulation than normal than I've used in the past, so I can use a little bit more protein than usual. And you guys, even though it says protein deep conditioner, and it still is very moisturizing. My hair felt super soft, and when I rinsed it out, everything just felt really good. On top of the fact that it smells good, and you get more of this deep conditioner than you do the moisturizing one, so that's awesome. And everything went on super smooth, buttery smooth, was easy to detangle and all that, so did not have any issues, and was super happy with the results when I rinsed my hair out. I forgot to show you guys the bags, but y'all know I put 2 grocery bags on my hair, sleep in it overnight with my Grace Olea slab cap, and then wake up the next morning and rinse it out. So this is what my twists are looking like, and after I get done rinsing it out, this is what my hair is looking like. Everything is a very moisturized, balanced. My hair smells good. It just is a bomb deep conditioner, you guys. Highly recommend. For me, this was very balancing, and I think my hair just responded better to the ingredients in this deep conditioner. So A1, and definitely a staple. So as you can tell, my hair came out amazing. It felt so soft, it felt balanced, everything felt amazing. And I like this one better than their moisturizing one, to be completely honest, because I just think it's better catered for my hair and my hair type. And by hair type, I do not just mean my hair texture, okay? My entire hair type will be down below in the description box like it is for most of my videos. But y'all, this is amazing. It is still very moisturizing, okay? It says protein deep conditioner on there. There is protein in here, and as I have mentioned before, the reason I'm not scared to use a protein deep conditioner or leave it in my hair overnight is because I've been heat styling, yes, with low heat, but I've been using heat a lot more often lately because I have my Revere and I stretch my styles often. So yeah, this is the truth, okay? Highly recommend. I mean, the rest of their line, like I said, right back here, rest of their line is popping too. I will link the video above if you want to go check out my review on the rest of their line, but highly recommend this as well, just adding it to the arsenal of things that I love by Miche Beauty. So yeah, and if you wanted to make this more moisturizing, like maybe you could add their oil to it, like whatever you want to do, y'all, it will all work together. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.